On a sad note, the remains of late Mrs. Teresa Iheagwazi has been laid to rest in her country home at Umudioka, Umuohi, Okija in Ohiala local government area of Anambra State. Late Mrs. Iheagwazi, who passed on at the age of 88, was blessed with 16 children she also lost 11 of them, leaving behind 4 surviving children who mourned and buried her. Esther Aswanya was there for ABS in our report.
Late Mrs. Teresa Ndubisi Iheagwazi, who passed on at the age of 88, was blessed with 16 children. She lost 11 of them. The burial ceremony attracted dignitaries from all walks of life, including the governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, and the chairman of Koskaris Group, Dr. Cosmas Maduka, among others. During the burial service conducted by Passion and Pure Christian Ministry International, Pastor Elisha Ibe described the late Mrs. Teresa Ndubisi Iheagwazi as a devoted Christian who remained steadfast in her faith despite the painful loss of 11 children. Pastor Ibe noted that the gathering was not only to mourn her passing, but also to celebrate her life, strong faith, and the enduring legacy she left behind. Speaking after the interment, the first son of the deceased, Dr. Emmanuel Iheagwazi, director of Climax Lubricant Industry Limited, described his late mother as a virtuous woman who went through many trials in life, yet remained faithful to God. He added that her children and family members will forever miss her loving presence. Highlights of the event include the burial proper and the condolence visit from in-laws, friends, and well-wishers.
Remember records of Mama, how she lived her life and how she served God while she was living on this planet Earth.
Symbol of courage, is a symbol of faith, is a symbol of persistence. And moreover, she gave her life to the Lord, she died as a believer.
He left a testimony in the print of sand, and her generation will remember her.
Esther Asanya, ABS News.